Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I will be sharing a DIY face brightening mask. So for this mask you'll be needing just two ingredients, which is a mashed banana and 2 tablespoons of honey. Okay, so bananas are rich in potassium, which means moisture, and this will help in keeping your skin hydrated, and it also reduces wrinkles. Bananas also treats dark spots. You can use a mashed banana on your skin about thrice a week and you'll be able to see the difference. The next ingredient is honey. Honey is a gentle exfoliator that helps in removing dead and old skin cells. It also helps to keep your skin tight and hydrated, thus giving us a fairer complexion. As mentioned in the video, you can leave this on for 15 to 20 minutes and you can wash off the mask with lukewarm water. Also, remember to be really gentle on your skin while washing off this mask. You can scrub in circular motion slowly and wipe your face gently with a face towel. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed watching, do like, subscribe and comment below if you would like to see me trying other face masks. Till then, have a nice day. Bye!